The SMC, Stock Market Caddy, Pebble Beach Radar for stocks, ETFs, and options. I'm bagging on at Stock Market Caddy, and today is January 25th. It's about 8:10 p.m. And we're going to start, we're going to try to do this nightly. We're going to showcase just one of our tools that is and that are available for our annual members on their own machine. Our monthly members get to see this in video format each and every night, and it's podcasted so they can watch it when they like. So what is it you're looking at? The Pebble Beach Radar. This is not a static scan. You might think of this as just what it is. It is a radar. The markets are not open right now, but when the markets are open, this is dynamically monitoring the S&P 500 stocks or any market you want to put in here. The code that we have written was written now. It's one of the earlier codes that we wrote going back maybe 15 some odd years ago. And the code is very sophisticated, and what it looks for highly probable candle formations in conjunction with a change in direction and trying to pick up a new trend. So initially, the signal might be the start of a new trend, but it also could just be a counter trend. But they're highly probable. And this is ideal and for us as traders when we want to be swing trading, whether we're using shares or options. It's a great way to go. Now, we sorted this based on today. So when you look at this, let's just pick one here. This company here called Arista, Arista Networks, ANET, daily interval. It flashed a Pebble Beach sell signal at the price of 307.87. If one had put in a $10,000 short signal at that time, today when it fired, you'd be up a whopping $5.85. So not a huge trade by any means. But look at them all, whether they be sells or buys, they're almost all in the money. And if you're using options, a leverage trade. It is a beautiful way to go. Now, we're not making a specific recommendation to buy or sell anything here. We are a mentoring site. We're showing you what is possible. And for our members, we don't hand out the fish. We provide them the fishing pole, the line, some of the techniques, some coaching. So if you are monitoring this, and if this is sitting on your desktop, had you gone long, let's just click on this, had you gone long CHD at 85.25, you'd have some $219, almost 2% move right in here. Beautiful. Comcast is just getting going. That's probably going to be up tomorrow. That's actually looking pretty good. And you could just go through the list. We have another nice trade here for the amount of money. It's a 2% SRE. Beautiful. This would have triggered at 123.38. 123.38. That's right in there. Right in here. Perfect. How about on the dark side? You want to play on the short side? Let's go through it. How about this one? FTI. Check this out. Beautiful looking trade. This has actually been working for a few days, but it fired again today. Short at 11.05, $10,000 short, 452 used an option, probably would have made more than that. Beautiful counter trend trading tool, or catching the pivot point in what could be a new trend. We call this the SMC Pebble Beach Radar for stocks, ETFs, and options. If you like this sort of approach to the markets, and by all means, take a good look at these and jot them down, because many times they will continue for the next few days. Now, we're not recommending anybody take these, but for educational purposes, you might want to track it. Let's take a look at Goldman Sachs. And you can see that one snuck in there. And that is also kind of it would have been an earlier one too. So this will continue to signal as the signals come through. But a $10,000 short signal would have paid out just today almost $200. This one here is Southwest Airlines, again on the short side, 10,000, almost 3%. These signals would come across intraday, and they just flip, they just come through and come through and come through on whatever market you want to scan. You want to scan the S&P 500, the IBD 100, the NASDAQ 100, the Russell 2000. You just plug them in. And if you want to get cute and try to shorten up the interval to like a 3-hour or 4-hour signal, you can do that too and get inside the daily swing trader. I'm Bag of Dawn at StockMarketCaddy.com. Today again is the 25th. It's 8/16. If this approach to trading interests you mechanically, algorithmically, consistently, objectively, we're not interested in the story. We're not interested in the narrative. We're not playing a game. We're out to make money, and we're doing it on the basis of probabilities and mechanical signals that we can rely on day in and day out. Again, if that interests you, my phone number is 813-758-8263. You're more than welcome to call, and you are more than welcome to visit our mentoring website called StockMarketCaddy.com. Thanks.